Welcome to English through Book Ideas. Learn English, grow your mind.
Hi everyone, welcome back to English through Book Ideas. I'm David.
And I'm Julia. Today we have a very common English question. Do you have any brothers?
This question is simple, but very useful. People use it when they want to ask about someone's family.
Yes, you can ask about brothers, sisters, siblings, parents, cousins, grandparents, aunts, uncles, nieces, and nephews.
Here is today's big question. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
And by the end of this lesson, you will know how to ask about family and describe your family members naturally.
Let's begin. Today's speaking goal is asking about family and describing family members.
In real life, people often ask about family when they meet someone new, talk with friends, or make small talk.
For example, you can ask, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Or, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
You can also ask, do you have any children?
And you can answer, I have one brother. I don't have any sisters.
Or, no, I'm an only child.
Nice! These answers are short, clear, and natural.
Let's listen to a short conversation.
Hi, David. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do. I have one brother. I don't have any sisters.
Is your brother older or younger?
He's older. He's 32 years old.
Nice! Do you have any cousins?
Yes, I have many cousins. Some live near me and some live far away.
How about children? Do you have any children?
Yes, I have one son and one daughter.
That's wonderful. Do your children visit their grandparents often?
Yes, they visit their grandparents on the weekend. Now let's break down the conversation.
First, do you have any brothers or sisters?
We use any in questions. Do you have any brothers? Do you have any sisters?
Next, I have one brother. I don't have any sisters.
I have one brother. I don't have any sisters.
Good point. Don't say, I don't have some sisters.
Say, I don't have any sisters.
Next, older and younger.
Older means someone is older than you. Younger means someone is younger than you.
For example, I have two older sisters.
Or, I have an older sister and a younger sister.
Finally, only child.
If you do not have brothers or sisters, you can say, I'm an only child. Now, let's learn today's family vocabulary.
Parents means your mother and father.
Grandparents means your grandmother and grandfather.
Aunt means your mother's sister or your father's sister.
Uncle means your mother's brother or your father's brother.
Cousins are the children of your aunt or uncle.
Niece means your brother's or sister's daughter.
Nephew means your brother's or sister's son.
Let's practice with examples.
My grandparents live in the countryside.
My uncle is very funny.
My aunt is a teacher.
I have 3 cousins.
My nephew is 5 years old.
My nephew likes soccer.
Now let's practice more examples.
Question 1. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
Answer, I have 2 older sisters.
Question 2. How old are your sisters?
Answer, one sister is 15 and the other is 24.
Question 3. Is your cousin single?
Answer, no, he isn't. He's married.
Question 4. Do you have any children?
Answer, yes, I have one son and one daughter.
Great! These are very useful answers for everyday English. Let's talk about a common mistake.
Many learners say, I have one older brother and 2 younger sister.
That is almost correct, but we need plural S for 2 sisters.
Correct sentence, I have one older brother and 2 younger sisters.
Another mistake is, I don't have brothers.
This is understandable, but more natural is, I don't have any brothers.
Say it with us. I don't have any brothers.
I don't have any sisters.
I'm an only child.
Excellent.
Now let's build longer answers.
Short answer, I have one brother.
Better answer, I have one older brother. He is 32 years old. He is married.
Short answer, I have 2 sisters.
Better answer, I have 2 older sisters. One sister is 15 and the other is 24.
Short answer, I have cousins.
Better answer, I have 3 cousins. One cousin is single and 2 cousins are married.
When you add age, relationship, and marital status, your answer sounds more natural.
Let's practice a second dialogue.
David, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have an older sister and a younger sister.
How old are your sisters?
One sister is 15 and the other is 24.
Do you have any nephews or nieces?
Yes, I have one niece. She is 3 years old.
That's cute. Do you have many cousins?
Yes, I have 5 cousins.
Is your cousin single?
No, he isn't. He's married.
Nice. Your family sounds big.
Now it's your turn. Answer after Julia.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
You can answer, I have one brother. I don't have any sisters.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
You can answer, I have 2 older sisters.
How old are your sisters?
You can answer, one sister is 15 and the other is 24.
Do you have any children?
You can answer, yes, I have one son and one daughter.
Are you an only child?
You can answer, yes, I'm an only child. Or, no, I have siblings.
Mini practice challenge.
Please answer these 3 questions out loud. Number 1, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Number 2, how many cousins do you have?
Number 3, do you have any nieces or nephews?
Try to make your answer longer.
For example, I have one younger brother. He is 20 years old. I also have 3 cousins.
Great! Pause the video and practice now.
Let's review today's lesson.
To ask about family, say, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Or, do you have any siblings?
To answer, say, I have one brother. I don't have any sisters.
If you have no brothers or sisters, say, I'm an only child.
To describe age, say, one sister is 15 and the other is 24.
To ask about children, say, do you have any children?
And answer, yes, I have one son and one daughter.
Today's vocabulary: niece, nephew, aunt, uncle, grandparents, parents, and cousins.
Excellent work.
Thanks for watching English Through Book Ideas.
Now tell us in the comments, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Write one full sentence. For example, I have one older brother and one younger sister.
If this lesson helped you, please like the video, subscribe to English Through Book Ideas, and turn on notifications.
Keep practicing a little every day.
See you in the next lesson. Bye!
Bye.